Hey guys, I'm Logan. We're up to Season 3, Episode 12 of 13 Reasons Why. One more episode, and then we are done. I want to thank you all so far for watching everything. I know the last episode is extremely long, so I don't know how much I'll be able to talk in that. But yeah, be on the lookout for that episode to come, to potentially be long. Or that reaction video to be long. So yeah, because it's an extremely long episode. But anyways, here we are, Season 3, Episode 12. It's been a great journey. A lot of debated topics, a lot of things to talk about. I hope it's gonna go well, because I haven't, like I said, this is being recorded a long time prior to when it's being released. So I hope everyone behaves themselves. I hope everybody accepts everybody else's opinions. And I hope we have some good conversations. I hope we were able to discuss well. And yes, here we go. Somebody did it.
So I'll make them.
How will we do that?
Running's not a good idea.
Where do you gotta go?
Damn. Interesting.
Listen, I gotta run, but I'll try. Okay.
How is anybody supposed to heal if all we do is cover up the wounds and hope that they'll go away?
Oh shit. He's there. Come on, Tyler. Come on. There you go.
And I'm a survivor.
Screw you, Monty.
And I'm a survivor.
Hell yes.
My name is Tanya Brown.
And I'm a survivor.
I like this.
Until that happens.
Well freaking done. Don't run.
Hey, Jensen. I have a warrant for your arrest for the murder of Bryce Walker. Turn around.
Son of a bitch.
Claim. The right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Oh my god.
The right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you by the court.
Who are you talking to? It's not the sheriff. Was it him? It's him. It's gotta be him.
I think you'd enjoy it. I mean, they weren't friends, of course.
Alex,
Who did
Monty.
Bryce spend time with in that time after he left Liberty?
Well,
Zach.
De La Cruz was over a number of times last summer, and
Those are my suspects.
your son.
Stuff. Sorry. Sacred space.
What, you're not man enough for yoga?
I like the guy for his name.
What is it? Can we talk?
He's,
I guess so, yeah.
you haven't done anything.
So?
This guy hasn't done shit. How is he an asshole? Because he's on a team with assholes? Does that make him an asshole? No. Oh man, I got so many questions.
No, man, this is some rich kid shit.
He's still back there. Probably gonna transfer him to county.
Jesus.
Damn it.
All in all.
See those people? Rapists, child molesters, they're not human
I was on the
beings.
streets.
They're not human beings.
And I needed money.
I don't think anybody can ever change my mind about that. Now, if you don't think rapists should be killed or castrated or child molesters, if you think that they can be redeemed, that's your opinion. I'm probably never going to change your mind, and you're never going to change mine. But that's just...
Or that I didn't want to do.
They're not human beings to me. Oh, that would piss me off too. Oh.
Hey, why would you... How could you kiss him?
It's not what you think.
Oh,
you said you didn't know
my
him.
God.
You didn't speak to him, but you're friends?
And it was an accident. It was a mistake.
Oh my
Bryce means
God.
nothing to me.
So do you regret it?
Hey, wait.
I won't lie to
Jesus.
you. At that moment, in his eyes,
The third strike, your life is over. Tony, he's right. Just stay.
Damn it.
Fuck! I'm gonna fucking kill him! Come on, fucking!
Damn it.
Where'd he go?
Damn it, Clay.
Where the fuck did he go?
that wasn't the last of it.
They have no idea. Okay, Clay will get off. You can walk. It'll be fine.
Alex, I killed somebody.
You can't let someone else take the fall.
Okay, hang on. Let me get someone out here.
Oh my God. What are those? Did I say Alex too?
Consumer brand. What's going on?
Did Alex kill him
Stand on.
too? Was he in on it too? What's going on? Wait.
Okay, I'll be there in 15.
He's...
Meet me at the station.
Tell me what's going on.
Oh God.
Alright, I should go.
Oh boy. Oh boy. And then that is why he went after Zach. What a block. What a block.
He's blocking the back. Is that your strategy? Cheat and hope you don't get caught? It was clean.
How the hell did he hold on to that?
Fucking asshole.
Oh, he's looking for Zach. Oh! Jesus! Shit. Don't want a lawyer. I can't believe he, like, actually killed him, though. There's no way. I'm shook. Hell yes.
Didn't expect to see you here. What's up, friend? Fuck you. Or not friend. Walking pretty well there, actually. What happened to your knee?
What happened to his knee? The fuck?
The fuck? I should fucking kill you. Okay, alright, look, I deserve that one.
I'm going to hell.
Well, I'll see you there.
Oh! Oh! Fuck! Oh my God! No! Jesus, he's kicking his ass. You didn't kill him, though. You gonna kill him?
You fucker, Zach! She screamed for you like she did for me!
Oh, okay, so he goes back, and then he kills him?
Chloe's my friend.
Oh! Fuck! Damn!
Fuck you, Dixie! You fucking pussy ass bitch!
He didn't kill him, though. You gonna go back again? He didn't kill him. He didn't kill him.
Fuck you!
He didn't kill him. He didn't freaking kill him. He beat the shit out of him, and I love it. But he didn't kill him. He did not kill him. He's innocent-ish.
Hey.
In the middle of the pier, just laying there.
He didn't kill him.
Was he conscious?
That's not a...
Well, thanks for coming in, Zach. What you did was assault and battery. You didn't kill him. Bryce Walker died by drowning.
Damn. You're innocent, bro. You're good. You kicked his ass. You can have that satisfaction. But you don't have to live with murder. So my question now is, Alex or Monty? Or a wild card? Who was that? Certainly a male. It looked like a male.
Sexual assault in the first degree.
Maybe murder.
Everyone had their reasons for wanting to kill Bryce.
I knew she was talking
At the
to
end of the
him.
night, one of them would have followed through.
It wasn't that hard to guess that, but whatever. Glad you can admit that.
Do you want to tell me yours?
It looked like a male, but now they got this shit making me thinking it's not. I don't know. I don't know. Shit. Alright. We're going into the final episode. Who killed Bryce? It's a long-ass episode. I'm not watching it till tomorrow. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think at all. I don't know who to put the blame on. I mean, it's those names that I have. I would say Alex, Monty are the top two suspects. The wild cards being Jessica. I guess you can throw Clay up there. But I don't think Clay did it. I don't think Jessica did it. One of those four. That's what I'm putting it on. One of those four. The main two is Alex or Monty. Damn. 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 Ooh. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, check out the link description. And links in the description to Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. You can always have conversations down in the comments of these videos, and I will certainly love to talk and all that, but if you would like to discuss further or talk about other things, you can do so on my Twitter, mainly. I would say go to my Twitter, it's the best chance, at TheLoganTR. If you would like to discuss further. But, I'm excited. We're almost done with this. See y'all next time.